Hi guys, I'm Sir Classy, and on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a crazy Afro pop or Afrobeat drum pattern. Now typically some of the favorite songs that I like or the beats that I've made I really like were usually within 95 to 105 BPM. So let me just stay within 102 for now. Then I have a free drum kit. I have a free drum kit. I like this sound. So hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button while you're watching this. I'll upload free tutorials every time. So we're just going to pick our sounds. I think if you pick out dope sounds, it's going to make your drums even hit harder. This kit is available for free. Hit the description below for free kits, free loops, MIDI loops, and all of that. Okay, I like this sound. I like this sound too. So just pick I think I already have this. Okay, I don't. Alright. Let's see what we can do with the ones already loaded up. Then so I like to start with my percussions most times. Let's listen to the metronome. Okay, that's fine. Then let's see. For the bounce. So let's close this up a little, and then let's increase the swing a little. I don't like that snare, but let's use the snare and I'll change it. Okay, I think I like this one. Yeah, I like this. Let's start with the typical 4 bounce and see. Okay. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll keep this pattern 1 here. Then I think I'll play my kick drum separate. I want my kicks to be unique. I don't want my kick to have the regular 4 pattern bounce, which is a lot of people like start having their drums to be boring. Like I want my kick to be kind of busy. Alright, so let's turn down the volume a little. Then a shaker loop. That's Afro 110 shaker. We need that. So let's see if I have it here. This is my premium loop, so I don't want to give it out yet. So let's get a shaker. This shaker is very easy to find, but it's also on in my premium kits. Sorry, yes. So African shaker. Yes, this is it. Let's see how it sounds. So to make it lap with or to make it be on beat with what you're doing, you can just do, let's say two beats. Okay, that's too small. So let's say 2 bars. I think that's fine. Then make it auto. The kick doesn't blend with it. Let's see if we can change the kick. Okay, this is fine. And then we can make it, I don't like when it's a straight 4 pattern kick. Yeah. I think this drum pattern is nice. Tell me what you think in the comment section. So this is how ordinarily I'll create my drums. I'll look for really nice high quality samples which you can get on my website for free, and then I'll combine the sounds together, do some layering in some parts like I did here. This is a layer, do some layering, try and get the bounce right. Then sometimes I add a shaker, sometimes I don't. Then make sure the whole bounce, like the vibe is right. I shouldn't have any sound like there should be no collision in sound. They should all work together to create a very dope bounce. So yeah, that is it for this tutorial. Hit the subscribe button. I have free courses on how to make beats in FL Studio, how to mix and master, how to make amazing music. Please hit the subscribe button. Also check out my courses and the free kits in the description below. Cheers.